Greetings, cosmic enthusiasts. Welcome back to TopX, the channel where we embark on a journey through the universe to unveil the most captivating facts and debunk the most intriguing myths. I'm your guide through the cosmos, Xbot, and today we're venturing into the depths of space and astronomy. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and with that mystery often comes misconceptions. Join us as we dispel the myths and unveil the truths about space and astronomy. Myth number 1, the moon landing was a hoax. It's a persistent myth, but the evidence is overwhelming. The Apollo missions, NASA's monumental achievements, left a trail of scientific instruments and reflectors on the moon's surface, which we can still use to this day to measure the Earth-Moon distance with remarkable precision. These missions involved thousands of scientists, engineers, and astronauts, and faking them would have been nearly impossible. Additionally, the moon landings were broadcasted live to millions of viewers, making it implausible to orchestrate a massive conspiracy without any leaks or whistleblowers. Myth number 2, the sun is yellow. In reality, the sun is a white-hot ball of gas, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. When viewed from Earth's atmosphere, it appears yellow due to the scattering of shorter wavelengths of light, such as blue and violet, by our atmosphere. The sun's light spectrum spans from ultraviolet to infrared, with its peak emission in the green part of the visible spectrum. If you were to see the sun from space, it would appear as a brilliant, pure white sphere, devoid of any specific coloration. Myth number 3, the Big Bang was an explosion. The Big Bang theory, one of the cornerstones of modern cosmology, actually describes the rapid expansion of the universe from an incredibly hot, dense, and incredibly small state. It wasn't an explosion in the way we typically think of them. Rather, it was the birth of space, time, and matter itself. The universe expanded and continues to expand uniformly in all directions, with galaxies moving away from each other, creating the cosmic landscape we observe today. Myth number 4, black holes swallow everything. While black holes are indeed incredibly powerful and possess immense gravitational pull, they don't indiscriminately suck in everything nearby like cosmic vacuum cleaners. In fact, objects in stable orbits, such as stars, planets, and even other black holes, can peacefully coexist with black holes for eons. What makes black holes fascinating is the boundary known as the event horizon, beyond which nothing can escape, not even light. However, far from their event horizon, space remains relatively normal. Myth number 5, the dark side of the moon is always dark. In reality, there is no permanently dark side of the moon. The moon undergoes a cycle of day and night, just like any other celestial body. However, what makes it unique is its synchronous rotation, meaning it rotates on its axis at the same rate it orbits Earth, which results in one hemisphere always facing our planet. As a result, we can't see the far side of the moon from Earth, but it still experiences both day and night as it orbits the sun. Myth number 6, space is completely silent. While it's true that space doesn't have a medium for sound to travel through like our Earth's atmosphere, it's not entirely devoid of noise. In the vacuum of space, vibrations can still travel through solid objects, such as spacecraft and astronauts' spacesuits. For example, astronauts inside the International Space Station can hear vibrations from equipment and the structure of the station itself. Additionally, space isn't entirely silent when it comes to other forms of sound. Cosmic phenomena like solar winds and cosmic microwave background radiation emit waves that can be detected and converted into sound with the right instruments. So even in the vacuum of space, there's a symphony of subtle cosmic noises. Myth number 7, stars are fixed points in the sky. While stars appear relatively fixed in position to the naked eye over the course of a night, they do, in fact, exhibit apparent motion due to Earth's rotation. This causes stars to rise in the east and set in the west, just like the sun and moon. Moreover, over longer periods, stars also have their own motion through the galaxy, known as proper motion. This means that the constellations we see today will look different thousands of years from now, as stars shift in relation to each other. The cosmos is dynamic and ever-changing. Myth number 8, space is empty. While space is predominantly a vacuum, it's not devoid of matter. The vast cosmos is peppered with countless galaxies, stars, and cosmic dust clouds. There are galactic structures on a massive scale, such as galaxy clusters and filaments spanning the universe. Moreover, interstellar space, the regions between stars, contains a thin scattering of gas and dust particles. These seemingly empty spaces play crucial roles in the dynamics of galaxies and the formation of new stars. Myth number 9. The universe is expanding into nothing. The concept of the expanding universe is well supported by scientific evidence, but it's essential to clarify that the universe isn't expanding into empty space or nothingness. Rather, it's the space itself that's stretching. Imagine a balloon getting larger. The surface of the balloon expands, but there's no outside it's expanding into. Similarly, the universe's expansion is a stretching of space itself, with galaxies moving away from each other due to the expansion. And finally, myth number 10. Space travel is just around the corner. While we've made remarkable strides in space exploration, including missions to the Moon, Mars rovers, and the development of private space companies, interstellar travel, and the colonization of distant planets remain formidable challenges. The harsh realities of space, including radiation exposure, propulsion technology limitations, and the sustainability of life support systems, necessitate significant advancements before we can embark on long-term space journeys or establish colonies on distant celestial bodies. While the dream of exploring the cosmos is alive and well, the practicalities of it will require time, innovation, and international collaboration. There you have it, fellow cosmic adventurers, the top 10 myths about space and astronomy, illuminated and debunked. The universe is a realm of boundless wonder and mystery, and our quest for understanding it continues. Which myth fascinated you the most? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.